So you guys are working very hard, huh?
Yeah.
You want to make sure it's ready
Yeah.
for big World Cup match?
Yes.
Hello everybody, this is Nita Basin and I am at the Eisenhower Park. You can see behind me, this is the place where ICC T20 World Cup is taking place, and this is in Nassau County, East Meadow, and I'm going to walk you through this place and I will give you the instructions also how to get to this place. The reason I can give you the instruction, very simple. I live here. I'm only 1.5 miles away from Eisenhower Park. Yes, I live in East Meadow, and this is the place where T20 World Cup is taking place. So this is a huge park, very big park. The entrance is from two sides. One is from Merrick Avenue and Stuart Avenue, where it crosses. The entrance is from that side. Second entrance is from Hampstead Turnpike. So to come to this place, if you're driving, you can take Long Island Expressway, you can take Northern State Parkway, but you have to take an exit of Meadowbrook Parkway. And many people may know that Roosevelt Shopping Mall is here on exit M3, but for this one, you can take exit. Oh wow, the music is playing. So all the rehearsals, practices are happening in Long Island in another park. So let me just see how much I can show you. So okay, so I was talking about M5. You can take an exit from M5 also, and M5 will bring you on Hampstead Turnpike, M5 East. Okay, that will bring you to the Hampstead Pike, and about 2 or 3 lights, you will see a park on your left hand side entrance of that. So this is on exit 6 and 6A. I mean parking lot 6 and 6A, but I can tell you, you will not get the parking here. You have to pay either $40. I'm going to cross the street, show you the long term. You have to pay the fees, parking fee, $40 to $150. You heard me right. $40 to $150 is going to be the parking fees. So the best thing is, you should look for the parking outside. Free parking. There's no meter parking here in Nassau County. You have to find the parking on the streets or inside. You have to find the parking on the streets or inside of the streets, and you really need to walk. You really have to walk. Even if you're looking for the parking here and they're giving you the parking inside, still it's going to be long walk. So the best thing is that you should have your sneakers on. So these are the seats up there, you can see. Alright, so this is seems like some pavilions. Remember, there was a 2,500, 5,000, all those pavilions, and if you want to take the suites or something, is $85,000, and Boundary Pavilion is $1,500, and tickets, I don't know. India-Pakistan tickets I'm talking about, these pavilions and all that, are very expensive for India-Pakistan, and right now they just release pavilions, and seems like जितना खर्चा है इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैचेस से निकालेंगे ये लोग, क्योंकि बहुत एक्सपेंसिव टिकट्स हैं इंडिया पाकिस्तान के, पर यू नो व्हाट, मैच तो देखना है ना। अगर आप 10:30 के मैच के लिए आ रहे हैं तो आपको, अगर आप बाय कार आ रहे हैं एग्ज़िट M5 तक पहुंचने में ही आपको 1 घंटा लग जाएगा, क्योंकि बहुत लंबी लाइन होती है। क्योंकि यहाँ नासा कॉलोसियम बिल्कुल पास में है, वहाँ पर भी जब कोई शोज़ होते हैं ना, आधा पौना घंटा तो वहाँ लाइन में ही लगना पड़ता है मेट हाईवे के ऊपर। और जब अंदर आते हैं तो 1 घंटा लेके। पर इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच के लिए आपको 2 घंटे सिर्फ यहाँ पर मेडो ब्रुक एग्ज़िट लेने के बाद चाहिए। अगर आप समझते हैं कि आपका घर 1 घंटे दूर है न्यू जर्सी में, सिर्फ 1 घंटे, आप 4 घंटे का, जी हाँ 4 घंटे का टाइम लेकर चलिएगा। द ईजीएस्ट वे जो मैं है ना आपको बताती हूँ, ड्राइव नहीं करें, ठीक है, आप ड्राइव नहीं करें, आप ट्रेन लें लॉन्ग आइलैंड रेल रोड। क्योंकि लॉन्ग आइलैंड रेल रोड की जो 2 लाइन्स हैं, एक रॉनकॉफमा लाइन और एक हैम्स्टर हंटिंगटन लाइन, ये जो दोनों लाइन्स हैं ट्रेन की, लॉन्ग आइलैंड रेल रोड जो आप पेन स्टेशन से ले सकते हैं, ब्रुकलिन से अटलांटिक एवेन्यू से ले सकते हैं और जमाइका से ले सकते हैं। जमाइका जहाँ लोग JFK के लिए भी कई बार ट्रेन लेते हैं, तो आप वहाँ से ले सकते हैं। एंड यू गेट ऑफ ऑन हिक्सविल स्टेशन। जी हाँ, हिक्सविल स्टेशन पे जब उतरेंगे तो हिक्सविल स्टेशन से आप ऊबर ले लें। आई नो यूजुअली I pay for my house about $12 to $15, but I can tell you it's going to be much more expensive. So be prepared for that. And walk का थोड़ा लंबा चक्कर पड़ जाता है. I think it's about going to be 3 miles or so, or little more than 3 miles walk from there. हाँ, आप एक काम और कर सकते हैं, आप बस भी ले सकते हैं. वो बस आपको उतार देगी हैम्पस्टन टर्नपाइक और न्यू ब्रिज के ऊपर, और कुछ बस है जो कि ट्रांसफ़र भी आप दे सकते हैं, बट और वो चलती हैं लॉन्ग आइलैंड रेल रोड से। सो द बस इज़ वन वे टू कम, टैक्सी और ऊबर इज़ अनदर वे टू कम। वहाँ टैक्सी स्टैंड भी है, एंड वॉकिंग इज़ गोइंग टू बी लाइक 3 to 3.5 miles। तो ये सारी जो हैं मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं, आइडियाज़ दे दिए हैं। जब देखिए काम और बड़ी ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती से काम चल रहा है। सो दिस इज़ द हैरी चैप्टन लेक साइड थिएटर, और यहाँ पर आप देखें, अभी मैं आपको आगे ले जाके दिखाती हूँ अनदर प्लेस। तो ये देखिए यहाँ काम चल रहा है अभी, और ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग है मैं कर रही हूँ May 25 को। ओके, आपको 2-3 दिन में दिखाऊंगी। और मैच है June 2 को, June 3 को, सॉरी, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम June 3। और बड़ी तेज़ी से यहाँ काम चल रहा है, ये मैं आपको बता दूँ, काम बड़ी तेज़ी से चल रहा है यहाँ पर। और जब मैंने देखा था, सॉरी मैंने पोस्ट नहीं किया, जब इन्होंने स्क्रैच से शुरू किया था। सो एज यू कैन सी बहुत फास्ट काम चल रहा है यहाँ पर, और आप देख सकते हैं कितनी दूर तक इन लोगों ने वेन्यू के लिए जगह ली हुई है। तो यहाँ पर मैं अंदर तो ऑफ कोर्स नहीं जा सकती सिंस द कंस्ट्रक्शन इज़ गोइंग ऑन, बट आई विल ट्राई टू शो यू फ्रॉम हियर। सो दीज आर द पवेलियंस यू कैन सी, एंड दीज पीपल आर वर्किंग हियर। So you guys are working very hard, huh?
Yeah.
You want to make sure it's ready
Yeah.
for big World Cup match?
Yes.
Yeah? And you guys are very happy, excited, huh?
Oh, yeah.
So what do you think about these cricket matches?
It's a huge event.
Huge event?
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys are very happy, excited?
Yeah.
And you're going to be part of this history, you know?
Right.
What's your name? You're going to be part of the history.
Yeah.
So this is amazing, right?
Very big.
Right. So how
Very
much
important.
how much land do you think has been used to build this approximately?
I don't know exactly.
10 acre, 20 acre,
Maybe.
maybe? So up there, what you have, that is a pavilion.
Uh-huh.
Those are pavilions.
Yeah.
So those are and the seats are on the other side also. Where the entrance is going to be? From where?
No.
You don't know about it yet. You're just building it right now. So you don't know the details yet. Is it any way I can go inside?
No.
I'm not allowed to go inside, which I understand. So when did you start the work here?
We just coming, but another guys have long time.
Okay, so you are the different contractors.
Yeah.
Oh, you are taking care of the audio visuals, something like that, AV system? Oh, okay. So you're from the AV company and checking. That's what I saw, that you're checking the sound and everything. So that means the stadium is ready. It's just now construction is done. You don't
Just
know.
coming today.
Okay. Oh, just came in
Yeah.
today. Not a problem. So these people are setting up the AV system. So they just started today, and construction is done. And now this sound system and all that is being set up here. So they are very excited that they will be part of this historic event taking place in America, in New York, in Long Island, in Nassau County. I'm sorry, I keep on calling Nassau Coliseum because we have a lot of shows takes place in Nassau Coliseum. So if you need any other information, please let me know and I will guide you. I will guide you about this place, and for that you have to subscribe, like and share your comments, and I will be very happy to assist you guys for any information what I personally can provide to you. And if there is any other information you guys need, I can talk to the committee of Nassau County Committee, and I can get some information from them also. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all here and welcome you in my town, East Meadow, and looking forward to this successful cricket, and everybody is excited about India-Pakistan match. So एक बात कहूँगी, मेरी नींद भी ले लो, मेरा चैन भी ले लो, मेरा सब कुछ ले लो, मुझे 2 टिकट्स इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट मैच के दे सकते हो? I'm just kidding. I already have the tickets. I bought it. I bought the tickets. I did not get any ticket. I bought the tickets myself. Okay? So I will see you soon. Until then, take care and buy your tickets of cricket match and let the whole Long Island and New York know कि हम लोग यहाँ क्रिकेट मैच हो रहा है, तो चक दे फट्टे. Take care.